lives in a pineapple under the sea and she just wants to get home. But for one day only, one could say Dorothy, Toto, the Sponge, and residents of Bikini Bottom came together at the University of Memphis to help a great cause. Construction took place in the lobby of the Herff College of Engineering Administration Building Friday. In the annual competition, now in its 6th year, teens from high schools across the Mid-South, in part with the American Society of Civil Engineers Younger Members Group, competed to build structures out of canned goods. The event also sought to promote interest in majoring in civil engineering.
It's just a good event. I mean, I like both of those things, trying to be charitable and getting food to the hungry, and being a civil engineer, I want to, I didn't know a lot about civil engineering when I was in high school, so, getting to the younger people quicker is always a good thing.
Each team, composed of 5 students, had 3 hours to independently build their structures. While teams were awarded on label use and overall structure, judges' favorite was Collierville High's Chorus Yellow and Porous SpongeBob SquarePants. Now, once deconstruction takes place, cans will be collected and distributed to food banks across the Mid-South area. This year's construction competition raised $1,590 more in meals with a total of 12,800 cans, enough to feed 10,240 people. Reporting from Mid-South Briefs, I'm Joshua Bolden.